Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel on Excel with Amit. In this video, we're going to learn about VSTACK function. So basically, VSTACK function helps us to consolidate data from various tables or from various sheets into a one continuous list. So let's learn how to use VSTACK function. So we have two data sheets here, sheet 1, sheet 2. In this sheet 1, we have car sales of Tata, and in the sheet 2 we have Hyundai sales, and we want to bring all these data into a continuous list in this master report. So let's learn how we use VSTACK function. So first we have to select the data or the table and change it to a table format. Similarly, in this sheet also we have to select the data and change it into a table format. Now what you have to do is, since it is convert to the table format, you have to name this table. That's how Excel will take the data from the different sheets and consolidate it into a continuous list. So we're going to name this table as Tata. Similarly, in the sheet 2 we're going to name this table as Hyundai. Now we're going to use VSTACK function. So let's learn how to use it. So this is the continuous or the master tracker where we're gonna need the details for all the sheets at one place. So equals to VSTACK will give the name of the tables Tata, comma Hyundai. Close it. And see, we have get both the details from the table Tata and Hyundai car sales at once in a single list. So if you want to see whether it is correctly working or not, you can add date here, and let's say take name of Amit. 25,000 is the amount and region is north. So whatever details are coming up here, it will automatically keeps on updating in a continuous format in this tracker. So if you see here, it is coming 25,000. Now one more thing you can do is you can sort it also, right? Likewise, you will have the data. So you can see automatically the details are here. So this is how you can use VSTACK function to create a master tracker. So it will help you to reduce copy pasting the data from the different sheets into a one master tracker, and all the details keeps on updating here automatically as soon as the details are updated in these fields. If you like this video, follow me. Thank you so much.